What's going on, YouTube? Welcome back to this brand new episode of Restoration with Vic. Today we're going to be restoring these super trashed Air Jordan 2 Chicagos from 2009. Considering how bad they looked, I thought they were from 2004. I picked these up actually at a yard sale this past weekend. The lady wanted $5 for them. I got it down to a whopping price of $2. These things are super trashed, like I said. They sting like sweat. There's a ton of yellowing on the soles, a ton of heel drag. A million scuffs and scratches on the uppers, creases, and just dirty all around. Hopefully my $2 investment pays out. Not much else to say, but let's get started. First step we're gonna do is remove the shoelace and open up our Rejuvenator canister and take out the shoe tree and insert it inside the sneaker. For this cleaning, we're going to be using Rejuvenator's 3-brush single line system along with the brass bristle brush. First thing we're going to do is squirt some solution into a collapsible bowl. 2 squirts is all you need. So the first brush we're going to get started with is a stiff bristle brush to clean up these soles. One last thing, before we get started with the cleaning, there's a bunch of little rocks inside the crevices of the soles. We're going to get those out and then get started with the cleaning. All done with the stiff bristle brush. Now we're going to finish cleaning up the soles using the brass bristle brush. All done cleaning up the soles. Now we're going to move on to using the all-purpose brush to clean up the uppers. Shoes are fully pre-treated. All we gotta do now is put these shoes in the single laundry bag and put them in the washing machine. Washing machine time. As always, you're gonna wanna turn it on. Use cold water with the regular cycle. And of course, our Rejuvenator Sneaker Laundry Detergent. All we need is a nice solid ounce. Yeah. We are back. Shoes are fully dried and clean. They look great, smell great, and feel great. We're still not there yet. The next thing we're gonna do is remove all this yellowing off the soles using some Salon Care 40 and Saran Wrap. Salon Care 40 is applied. All we gotta do now is put these shoes inside my indoor setup. All right, we are back. Shoes are fresh at the indoor setup. They look great, back to white. One question I know I'm gonna see in the comment section is, why didn't I whiten up this plastic area on the back of the shoe? And that's because the Salon Care 40 just won't work. I've tried it before. Moving on to the next step is repainting the uppers, the upper white leather. First thing we're gonna do is prep the leather using some acetone and cotton balls, as well as some 2000 grit sandpaper to smooth down some of the areas. Uppers are nicely prepped. All those deep scratches that were around the leather are nice and smooth now. The next step we're gonna do is apply this flat white paint using some angler brushes. Alright, so we got this leather piece fully repainted. I know I got some paint on the midsoles, on the black areas. That's okay, we'll worry about that later. Now I'm going to do the exact same process I did on this area, on the toe box and the side panel. Uppers are fully restored, they look great. Took me a solid 2.5 hours to fully lay down the paint. Took a lot of coats and a lot of patience. I did not paint the tongue at all because there was no scuffs or scratches on the tongue, and I want to leave the shoe as close to factory as possible. So moving on to the next step is these midsoles. We're going to be painting them using some flat black paint and an angler brush. Midsoles are fully painted, they look great. Uppers are done as well. All we gotta do now to protect this beautiful paint job is spray on with some Krylon matte finish outside. Alright YouTube, that is gonna wrap it up on this full restoration on these Air Jordan 2 Chicagos. These turned out great, a lot better than I expected. Not bad for only paying $2 for these. Just a quick recap on what I did. I gave these shoes a full deep cleaning inside and out using Rejuvenator's 3-brush sneaker laundry system. Put these shoes in the washing machine with our sneaker laundry bag and our Rejuvenator sneaker laundry detergent. Gave these shoes a full midsole repaint, repainted the uppers, and got rid of the creasing. The shoes turned out great. You can find all these products you see right here at rejuvenator.com. Make sure to check out the description below for my promo code, this week's giveaway winner, and how to answer for next week's giveaway. Hope you guys enjoyed this video. This is Vic Almighty. See you guys next Monday.